Hello dear students, welcome to your social studies class. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi, and today we will be doing the next part of the lesson, clothes. Yesterday we had done the other part, the first part of the lesson, and today we will learn about the second part of the lesson, and that is clothes worn in different seasons. Okay, yesterday we discussed about clothes, that different kind of clothes are there, and today we will learn that in different seasons there are different clothes, and we will learn about them. So let's read and then I will explain it to you. If you look inside your wardrobe and touch your clothes one by one, you will find that they are different from each other. This is because clothes are made from different type of materials. These materials are called fibers. Okay, what are fibers? What is the meaning of fibers? Fiber means the different type of materials. These materials are known as fibers. Okay, for example, do you wear jeans? Yes, jeans has a different fiber, and woolen clothes have different fiber, cotton clothes have different fiber, linen clothes are different fiber, silk, right? These are different materials or fiber, or the texture is different. When you touch it, जब आप उसको छू के देखते हैं कपड़ों को, तो आप पता कर सकते हैं कि ये कौन से टाइप के कपड़े हैं. जब आप बड़े होंगे, when you will grow older, then you will come to know more about different type of materials. Okay, so this is because clothes are made of different type of materials, and these materials are called fibers. Okay, you wear soft, warm and woolen clothes in the winter. What kind of clothes do you wear in winter? We wear soft, warm and woolen clothes. The clothes that we wear in winter are soft, they are warm, they keep us warm. Okay, वो हमें गर्म हट देते, गर्म होते हैं. And woolen clothes in the winter. See, can you see this lady over here? She's wearing a sweater, a cap, and this lady over here, she's also wearing a scarf, and this is wool, this is wool, and from wool, woolen clothes are made. And where does wool come from? Wool comes from sheep. So it starts all from here. यहाँ से शुरुआत होती है. Have you seen sheep? Yes, their wool is taken out. Okay, and it is made like this into threads, and then it is knitted, उसको बुना जाता है, and then people wear it, or you wear it, right? Now let's read more about it. They are made from the wool that we get from sheep. They are knitted. Okay, she is knitting. Maybe your grandmothers, you must have seen your grandmothers or mothers knitting at home. आपने उनको स्वेटर बुनते हुए देखा होगा ना. This is known as knitting. Okay, with the help of knitting needles or looms, right? How do they knit the woolen clothes? With the help of knitting needles. This is not knitting. K is silent. Okay, so we will pronounce it knitting needles or looms, right? Now let us come to the next page. Okay, now let us come on page number 35. People also wear clothes made from silk, fur and leather in the winter. Okay, now there are silk, fur and leather, other three types or kinds of materials. Silk is very like soft, and fur is made out of animal fur, and leather also is made out of animal skin, right? Silk cloths are made from the silk thread we get from silkworm. There is a silkworm. Okay, from that silkworm, silk thread is made. We get fur from animals like rabbit and fox. Have you seen a rabbit or a fox? From their fur, उनके जो बाल होते हैं. Okay, this fur is, what is this fur? उनके जो बाल होता है, the hair that is on them. From rabbit and fox, their hair is taken out, and from that materials are made, and it is known as fur, right? Okay, can you see this portion? See this thing, this is all fur. Okay, आप jackets पहनते होंगे, right? In the winters you might be wearing jackets and all, and यहाँ पे कई बार collar के पास, sleeves के पास, hands के पास, and on the edge border पे. Here also there is fur, and fur is also made out of animals, right? And then we get fur from animals like rabbit and fox. Leather is made from the hide. Here hide means skin. Okay, this does not mean hide की छुपने वाला hide नहीं है. This hide means skin of animals like camel and buffalo in a place called tannery, right? Let us read again. Leather is made from the hide of animals or skin of animals like camel and buffalo in a place called tannery. Tannery is the place where the leather is made, right? And leather is also made out of the skin of animals. Leather is also used to make wallets, purses, bags, belts and shoes. All these are made out of leather, right? Okay, can you see the fur clothes here? Yes, this girl is wearing the fur clothes. And can you see the leather products? The jacket here, and this bag, shoes, belt and purse or wallet, these are all made out of leather. And then the silk cloths, your mummy or your mother, your grandmothers, okay, and all your aunts, they are very happy when they wear something made out of silk. It is very soft and it gives a beautiful look, right? Now let's come further. You wear comfortable cotton clothes in summer. What do we wear in summer? Cotton clothes. Why? Because cotton makes us feel cool, right? वो हमें ठंडा फील कराते हैं, गर्म नहीं लगता हमें, कॉटन में कम गर्म लगता है. Cotton clothes keep you cool. They are made from the cotton that is plucked from the cotton pods of plants. How is cotton made? Plucked means तोड़ना, plucked from the cotton pods. These are cotton pods, right? The cotton is spun into the thread and then woven into cloth mills. The cotton is spun into the thread and then woven into cloth at mills. Now from the cotton pod comes the thread, okay, see, can you see the thread? And then from the thread comes making of cloth. इसी थ्रेड से ये क्लॉथ बनते हैं, कपड़े बनते हैं. इन्हीं कपड़ों से जो टेलर है वो स्टिच करते हैं, और इन्हीं जब वो स्टिच कर देते हैं टेलर्स, तब लोग उसे पहनते हैं, राइट? फ्रॉम द कॉटन पॉड्स कम द थ्रेड, and from the thread comes the cloth, and from the cloth comes the tailor stitches those clothes, and then from that comes the dress made of cotton cloth, right? Now let's come to the next page. Okay, we are on page number 36. The different fibers that we get from plants and animals are called natural fibers. The different fibers that we get from plants and animals, okay, are natural fibers, okay, because plants and animals are a part of the nature. That is why it is called natural fibers, okay. There are some other types of cloths that are not made using natural fibers. कुछ और भी fibers होते हैं जो natural fibers नहीं होते हैं. They are not made out from nature, but let's see from where, how they are made. These are made from man-made fibers, okay. Fibers like which are made from plants and animals are called natural fibers, but fibers that are made by man are fibers such as rayon and nylon, okay. Such clothes are called synthetic clothes, okay. We usually wear synthetic clothes during the season where it is not very hot. Otherwise, if we wear synthetic clothes in summer season, we will feel very hot, but cotton clothes make us cool. So rayon and nylon are called synthetic clothes, and they are not natural fibers. They are not made out of natural fibers. They are made out of men, okay. You wear synthetic clothes like raincoats and gumboots in the rainy season. Do you wear a raincoat during a rainy season? Yes, this raincoat is made out of that's synthetic, right? And the gumboots also that people wear, they are boots, okay. They are people wear it during the rainy season so that their feet do not get wet. These waterproof cloths are made from plastic and rubber. How are these synthetic cloths made? They are made from plastic and rubber. Plastic is man-made material. Rubber is made from latex we get from rubber trees. Okay. Now these raincoats and gum boots, they are made from plastic and rubber. And plastic, it is not a natural fiber, it is a man made material, मतलब इंसानों ने उसको बनाया है. And rubber is made from the latex we get from the rubber trees. Okay, rubber trees जो होते हैं उससे जो है रबर बनता है. Right. Now let's quickly come to the uniform. Uniform are special clothes. Can you describe your uniform? Can you describe your uniform? What kind of uniform you have? You have a pink uniform, and inside you wear a shirt, and outside you wear a tunic, right? Do you wear the same uniform in winter and summer? Now this is a question for you, that do you wear the same uniform in summers and winters? No, we wear different uniform in summers and different uniform in winters. Like you wear a uniform in school, there are people too who wear a uniform at their workplace. Police have a different uniform. Soldiers, chauffeurs, firefighters, porters, postmen, sailors, pilots, nurses and miners are some people who wear a uniform. Can you see? A policeman has a different uniform, a postman has a different uniform, right? And a nurse has a different uniform, a soldier has a different uniform, a firefighter has a different uniform. Everyone wears or even a guard in your school, you might be having guards, right? They wear different uniforms. Or the traffic policeman, he wears a different uniform. So there are different uniforms for different people, right? Now let's quickly come to the next page, page number 37. You must have taken a ride in the railway train or an aeroplane. Have you seen that the railway attendants and the air hostess also wear smart uniforms? Yes, I'm sure you must have seen on the train or while flying in an aeroplane, you must have seen air hostess, they wear very smart clothes, and even railway attendants also, they are also very well dressed, they also have different uniforms. Now let's see about national costume, right? People of our country wear special clothes. These clothes are their national costumes. Okay, people in Rajasthan wear this kind of clothes, people in like in other Middle East countries wear this kind of clothes, people in Western countries wear this kind of clothes, right? So these are the national costumes. Children, I hope you have understood this lesson, clothes, very well, and I hope you have enjoyed it, and watch the video once again after watching it once so that you can understand it well. God bless you and take care.